The 28S model digger is a tailless model mini excavator. Zero-tail excavator, flexible and convenient operation. Wide operating range, can achieve barrier-free construction. Our excavator, with multiple functions of digging, grabbing, drilling, bulldozing, ditch cleaning, and rock breaking. This excavator can be widely used in various construction projects, such as water supply, power supply, gas supply, telecommunication network, farmland and garden works, etc. All machines are CE approved. Good excavator quality can help you reduce maintenance and operating cost. Labor can be liberated.